Hi guys, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome here. For the returning service, thank you for subscribing. So if you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button. So I am just from the salon. Today is on Sunday, it's almost 7. So I am just from the salon to undo my hair and get my hair at least treated. So I'm really impressed, guys. About like 2 months 3 months ago I did cut my hair, and sikukata titu ile kidogo, nilijikatia mimi mwenyewe, and I cut my hair a lot, and I'm impressed. Imagine, this is like about 2-3 months growth imemea, and I'm really happy because I really look good. This is a sign for you to cut your hair so that it can grow well. My hair is growing healthy right now, and I'm happy and I'm impressed actually. So, like I mentioned, today is on Sunday. I want to make my dinner. My mom sent me fish, so I want to make fish for dinner today. I had also earlier on boiled dengu. So, in the course of the week, at least up Tuesday, Wednesday, nitakuwa na dengu. I'll make rice in the course of the week to make my work easier. Yeah, so I want to do my skincare routine. Of late, my skin is not skinning, so I want to do my skincare routine. Yes, and I'm going to show you my simple skincare products that I'm going to use for my skincare routine. Yeah, so let's get right into this vlog. Yes. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today is on Tuesday the 16th. Yeah, as you can see, I'm in my kitchen making my supper. Today at least I got home a bit early. Nilifika home around 6:50. Yeah, I was craving chapatis, homemade chapatis made by me, of course, and that is what I have decided to have for dinner today. So that is what I have been making. Already done. I'm going to show you my chapatis. Yes. I hope you guys are having a good week, are having a good time. Friday bado ni mbali, so just make sure that your week is perfect. Yes. So my dengu nishapika chapati, dengu sasa ndo inachemka sasa. So what I want to do, I want to shower. By the time namaliza kushower, dengu itakuwa imeboil, then I'll have my dinner. My aim and my goal is to sleep early today. I want to be asleep by 8:30, latest 9. Yes, if possible. Yes, good sleep to make me productive tomorrow. Plus my beauty sleep too. I know. Anyway, I hope mko poa wase. Yes, so I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So let me quickly jump right into the shower room. Let me shower, then I'll have my dinner. Yes. I mentioned that I really hate cooking in the course of the week. Weekdays, aki mimi huchukia kupika. I hate cooking in the upper katikati ya wiki, but I have no choice because I have to eat healthy food. Yes. Guys, remember I bought that apron. Yeah, let me show you the situation how my dress. No, nimetoka a job, so nimeingia kama nimepika. Let me show you how my dress is looking and more reasons why I needed that apron. But I didn't use it today because I don't know, nilikuwa nimechoka tu. Just look at my dress. Oneni tu. You get it? You see what I meant? I don't like this. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today is on Thursday and this is my outfit of today. Hi guys, hi everyone. So today is on Sunday. Yeah, today is on 21st. Yes, I didn't go to church today. I was feeling quite lazy and tired. Yesterday I was up and about. I did not rest, so I just needed to at least clean my house today. Yes, at least catch up with myself. Nipumzike, make some good meals for myself because I deserve it. And I look good, guys. So this is the hair I made yesterday. I think this is going to be my signature look for 2024 because I'm in love. I got these, how do they call them? Yummy twist. Yeah, the sister locks. Yummy twist, yeah. And this is how it turned out. I look so good. My face looks snatched. I look like a grown girl, grown classy girl. Yeah, that's the vibe this hair is giving me. So I want to make my lunch. I want to make fish and ugali and some kienyeji. So I forgot to mention yesterday after leaving nikishatoka huko KM nilipitia, I passed by this shop in the Boa to get at least my lotions. So I got this Nivea. This is the radiant one. Yeah, extremely for dry skin. It is highly recommended, especially if you have a dry skin and you're looking to at least make your skin nourished and smooth. Yes, and it also helps to reduce stretch marks in a span of 2 weeks. Imeandikwa hapo, so it's legit. I bought this one in the supermarket. This one is going for 730, but uko where I bought this, it was on an offer for 630. So I got this. This is how it looks, and I love it. I've used it today and nimeipenda. The other thing that I got, this one I went for it huko kwa shop yao ya Malibu in town. This is sunscreen, SPF 30. Yes, the lotion spray. This is how it looks, and it's quite quantity. Yes, this is 200 ml and it's going to serve me. This is sunscreen. Yes, so anytime I'm stepping out, at least I'll be applying this sunscreen. I'm heavily investing on my skin this year, yes, with the original product. So yes, that's all that I got, by the way. Jana nilifanya nini man? Oh, ni hizo tu. Yeah, so let's make my lunch. There are some kids who are playing on the stairs. Wamekuwa wakimake noise. I hope they won't interfere with my sound quality. Anyway, nimesahau to mention also that I got a few groceries that I needed for the house. I got carrots, I got a mango, I got ngwashe, the sweet potato, then nikabuy viazi, the normal viazi. Let me show you the things that I got. I got onions. Onions are still expensive. What? Yes. Let me show you the things that I got. So it is currently around 4:30. Yes, and I have been invited for a coffee date. Yes, so I am about to step out. I really want to come back home early because tomorrow is on Monday and I like to start my week, at least come and rest on Sundays. So at least I'll be out for like an hour or two, then I'll come back home as soon as I can. Yes, it's just a simple coffee date na siendi. It's not a far place. I'll just take a cab. Yes, nifike haraka, then finish and come back. So let me show you my outfits. I broke my mirror and I haven't replaced it, unfortunately, guys. So yes, boom, nifanyie mchango ya kubai mirror. Anyway, let me show you my outfit of today. I feel too lazy to do my makeup, so I'm just going to apply red lipstick. I think lipstick, either a red or a brown lipstick. That is the only makeup I'm going to have. Yes. For face too, I've just applied sunscreen. Yes, and that is going to be it for today. My scent for today is going to be the Choco Mask. Yes. This is my outfit. I have these cuts. Yes, that's my outfit. So I'll see you guys. Bag. I am going to carry this cute pink bag that I thrifted some time back. If you haven't watched that video of the thrifted bags, kindly watch my previous video. You'll see the cute bags that I thrifted from Kisumu. Yeah, so this is the bag that I'm carrying. and just a pass and my phone and my key. That's it, guys. So if I don't see you guys again, I'm not sure if I'm going to vlog on my dates, but if I don't, thank you for watching. If you're watching up to this point and you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. We are almost hitting the 300 target that I did put for myself. I think our growth is coming along well, and I'm so happy. So come on, watch now, just subscribe, hit the subscribe button. See you guys. I love all of you, and thank you for watching.